Dear student, today we start the topic that is image formation by spherical mirror. Firstly, we learn that is how that image of object is formed by using concave mirror. But before we draw the diagram, it is necessary to understand the rules which are used to draw the image of object by using concave mirror and also the convex mirror. Because it is necessary to understand rules firstly, and then we use the rules to draw the image of object by using concave mirror. To draw the diagram of image of object by using concave mirror, it is necessary to firstly learn and understand carefully the rules. Here, rules used to draw the image of object by concave mirror. There are four rules we use to draw the image of object by using concave mirror. Firstly, we study that is rule number 1. You know what is rule number 1? This question for 3 marks, and it is necessary to draw the diagram and then write the rule. Firstly, draw the diagram and then write the rule. How we draw the diagram? Rule number 1. Here, look, that is concave mirror. Concave mirror. Here, you know that is center of curvature, and here pole of the mirror. Thence principal axis, and here between center of curvature and pole there is focus of concave mirror, which is to the left side of the pole and in front of the mirror. According to rule number 1, when incidence ray parallel to principal axis, means the light rays which are emitted from source and that light ray is parallel to principal axis, incidence on the mirror and reflected ray which is passes from focus. Here, when incidence ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray passes from focus. That is rule number 1. And this rule number 1 used in each and every diagram by using the concave mirror. Hence, here it is necessary to write that rule. When incidence ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray passes from focus. Reflected ray passes from focus. When incidence ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray passes from focus. That is rule number 1. And this rule number 1 used in every diagram. Image formation by concave mirror. Then rule number 2. Here we learn that is rule number 2. What is rule number 2? Here first we draw that diagram. Here concave mirror, and here center of curvature, here pole of the mirror, and here principal axis, and then focus of concave mirror. According to rule number 2, when incidence ray passes from focus and incidence on the concave mirror and reflected ray is parallel to principal axis, which rule is exactly opposite to the first rule. When, look carefully how we draw that diagram. When incidence ray passes from focus, then reflected ray is parallel to principal axis. That is rule number 2. When incidence ray incidence ray passes from focus, then reflected ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray parallel to principal axis. When incidence ray passes from focus, then deflected ray parallel to principal axis. That is rule number 2. Then here we learn that is rule number 3. We learn that is rule number 3. Here we draw the diagram in this way. Here concave mirror, center of curvature, a principal axis, here pole of the mirror, here focus. When incidence ray passes from center of curvature, dear student, when incidence ray passes from center of curvature, a reflected ray traces the same path. It also passes from center of curvature without change the direction. When incidence ray passes from center of curvature and incidence on the mirror, then reflected ray also traces the same path, no change the direction. Means any light ray passes from center of curvature, that it traces the same, reflected ray traces the same path. When incidence ray passes from center of curvature, reflected ray trace same path, means it reflects from the same path. It reflected ray also passes from center of curvature. That is a rule number 3. Then what is rule number 4? Is a very important rule. Rule number 4. Here we draw this diagram. Rule number 4. Concave mirror. Here center of curvature and here principal axis, here pole of the mirror and here focus of the mirror. When incidence ray obliquely to the principal axis and incidence on the pole, a center point of the mirror, then reflected ray follows the laws of reflection. Here angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. When incidence ray obliquely to the principal axis and makes the angle with principal axis, that is angle of incidence I, then reflected ray obeys or follows the laws of reflection, and here angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is the rule number 4. Here, what is rule number 4? When incidence ray obliquely to principal axis and incidence on pole, then reflected ray follows laws of reflection. Here angle of incidence angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Hence, dear student, this question is very important question. Rules which are used to draw the image of object by using concave mirror, and this question is very important. When we write the answer of this question, it is necessary to draw the diagram and then write the rules. Then you get a full credit and full marks of the question according to board rule.